Many people have been asking me before I decided I was going to be running on Jubilee, which party I will go to. And I thought it was not a necessary question because I served under President Kenyatta in Jubilee for 10 years, implemented the policies of Jubilee for 10 years. I believe in President Uhuru Kenyatta. I totally support him, and I totally believe in his solid leadership and vision for our country. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be your deputy party leader. I will work with all of you. There are many people in this audience, many of you leaders, obviously who are much more experienced than I am, especially in political practice, and who have done many things in this country than I probably will ever do. But I want to say with humility that by the grace of God, I'll be available to learn, to work with you, to consult with you, Mheshimiwa Manje, Mheshimiwa Kimari, Mheshimiwa Joshua Toro, all of you wonderful people. I'll work with you, listen to you, and we will work together as we grow our party. Kwanza kabisa Mheshimiwa Rais, na kushukuru kwa ile kazi ambayo umefanya ya kutuongoza and how you have put us together both in this party and in the country. If there's anything I have to say here, quite frankly, is that I am one of the greatest beneficiaries of your leadership because I worked with you for 10 straight years under your tutelage. I had the opportunity of learning from you every day in hard times, in good times, when we had crisis in the country. I learned from you. And Your Excellency, I want to promise that I was a good student, and I will stay behind you and I'll walk in your footsteps. My brothers and sisters, let us go forward prayerfully, but again, boldly, knowing as we do that every generation has its fair share of challenge and a burden that it must deliver successfully to the next generation. For us, the challenge we have now is to pull Kenya together, bring about healing to the people who feel frustrated and having been lied to and sometimes conned and sometimes told things that do not exist and they will not exist. Pull all these people together and tell them one thing: don't lose hope. Our country is great. We are better than this. Don't lose hope. Our better days are coming, and we will cross the bridge after the elections. And we will go forward and continue this journey of building a great country. And together, we will go to the destination that the Lord wants us to go. By His grace and through His leadership, a great country that is dignified, where we are respected by our neighbors in the region, where we don't support criminals in our neighboring countries, where we don't arrest people from neighboring countries at night and take them back to their country, where we respect human rights and we respect ourselves as a people. Because that is what we will do our part in ensuring that this generation, part of which we are, delivers on its mandate. So my brothers and sisters, with that commitment, with that faith, and with that Kenyan spirit, we are the long-distance country. We always stay on the task and get there, and we will get there. Let us keep the hope burning, let's keep together, follow the ideals and the vision of our party leader, build one Kenya, a tribeless environment, where it does not matter where you come from, it does not matter your age, it does not matter your gender or your creed. What matters is the contribution that the Lord will enable you to make to our country. So, ninawaomba tafadhali tuombeane na tukae katika hiyo barabara as we go forward. And we continue to pray for our country. And most importantly, I ask you especially, we continue to pray for our party leader, that the Lord keeps him, strengthens him, and guides him as a unique resource that we have to guide us in this country. Kwa niaba ya viongozi wenzangu katika NEC na viongozi wa chama chetu cha Jubilee, Ningependa kusema mambo mawili, alafu basi tutamaliza kikao hiki, alafu tuandamane kutoka hapa. Ya kwanza, tumeanza sasa safari hii ya kurefamp chama chetu, na tutaanza sasa kuwa na mikutano, na ninawaomba wale viongozi ambao wamefika hapa kutoka kwa kila ward, tutaanza kuwa na mikutano kuanzia kwa ward, alafu tuingie kwa county committees kuzungumza vile tunaweza sasa to strengthen our party and revive it and recruit more members. The Secretary General of our party is going to issue a circular for all county committees to start a program that we should finish in the next 4 or 5 months, and soon we will have a meeting with all county committees